Hey guys, welcome to Clubmaths. Thank you for joining us today here, and thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel as well as to our website clubmaths.com. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that uh, you can get all the updates right on the time. So, today's topic is pretty common, fractions. It is it is very important to understand, mostly in the verbal format also, though it's basic, but without that you won't be able to understand that what exactly fractions are, how you have to deal with factors and everything. So I have some funny figures in front of me, 6, 7, and I'll be asking questions too while we will be dealing with this. So let's talk about this. I'm I'm saying that this is a square, okay? It may be little, here and there, but I'm saying this is a square, the first figure, okay? So what I'm going to do is I have divided this into four parts, four equal parts, okay? Four equal parts. I'm going to shade this part, okay? So that it will be much easier to understand. So let's say this is the shaded part. So now if I have to write a fraction of this box, whatever you see based on the consideration that this is a square and it has four equal parts, and you have one part as covered with the green lines. So what will be the fraction? Your fraction will be 1 by 4. And how? Because there are four equal parts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the shaded part is 1. So simple and easy, right? So that's how the fractions are. So the definition of fractions is pretty simple. Is the equal division of any number, right? Divided by the total numbers, the total digit. Okay. So let's talk about this. I'm considering this as a circle. Let's take a different color. A circle, figure 2. Okay. And I'm going to make this as two equal part. Okay, just two equal parts, equal. Okay, there's 1 and 2. And if I'm going to shade this with, let's say, red, right? So this has shaded lines. So what will be your fraction here? Your fraction here for this figure will be total number of parts, 2, divide, and on the denominator, and on numerator, your shaded part, which is 1. Pretty simple, right? Now we have this hexagon because it has 6 sides, right? So we are saying that it is hexagon with equal 6 sides. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they all are equal sides, 6 equal parts, 6 equal. Okay, so I'm gonna say that, okay, let's shade two of them, any two of them. Let's say this, and shade this. So we shaded 6 and 3. Okay, so now what is the fraction of this? So total number of boxes is 6 equal parts, 6, and the shaded one is 2. So the fraction is 2 by 6, but it can be it can be further divided. So, it could be your answer will come out to be 1 by 3. But if you write 2 by 6, it will be fine too. Okay. Now let's talk about uh, it's a diamond shape, it's rhombus. There are different names to it, but this figure, whatever you want to call it as, it is divided into four equal parts. And again, if you shade any of those, and leave any of those, or you shade three of those, any three of those, the fraction will be Total is 4 and shaded part is 3. And when we say equal, we are talking about exact equal shape and in size. Okay. Let's talk about the negative one. This is a square. Okay. This is a square with 4 parts in it. 4 parts. And what we're gonna do is, what I've done is, I've divided the square into 4 parts, but these are not equal. They are not equal, okay? So let's say if I shade this one, what's gonna happen? What is the fraction of this? Eventually you will say that, okay, it is 1 by 4, but because 4 is the total number of count of the boxes and 1 is shaded, but no, this is not the right answer, okay? And again, let's talk about, because as I said, that this should be equal 4 parts, right? It should be divided into equal size and, and shape. So let's talk about this triangle, right? This is divided into 3. Again, if I shade this of it also, right? It won't be 1 by 3 because these all 3 are of different shape and size, so this will not be the correct fraction for us, okay? I hope you have understood the video and what fractions are. If you have any question, please post it out in our comments, and thank you for joining with us here. Have a good day.